welcome to Health Talk. I'm Dr. Manny. From anxiety to post-traumatic stress disorder and depression, many people suffering from mental illness say they feel a loss of control. Joining me now is Dr. Joseph Annibale, the chief psychiatrist at Amen Clinic and author of Reclaim Your Brain. Thank you. Very interesting book, Reclaim Your Brain.
Thank you for having me, Dr. Manny.
Big problem, only because not only of our veterans, but of course everything that is happening around the world. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a big problem. You started in your book talking about a therapy that you were kind of questioning, but
skeptical,
but then sort of it became something that you liked.
Right.
Tell me about that.
Well, the approach, the therapy, if you want to call it that, is called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, or tapping is a nickname for it. And we all know what acupuncture is. People take needles and they stick them into the so-called meridian points. So somebody said, hey, what if we try this approach without needles, but if we instead tap on these meridian points? And so they've developed a technique, and one of the guy who's really done the most work is Gary Craig, who's an engineer from Stanford. So they've developed this technique where you tap on these meridian points and you say a positive affirmation. So it might be, you know, even though I'm anxious about being on TV with Dr. Manny, I deeply and completely accept myself. I'm not actually anxious, but we believe that this turns down excessive activity in the autonomic nervous system, so people tend to be calmer. And I'll give an example. One of the admin people I was working with a few minutes ago before I came onto the set here, she told me that she had gone to a conference where they did tapping for 2 days, and she too was skeptical, and she tried it, and she found it very helpful for some situations of anger.